Toyota Motor Corporation, along with Subaru Corporation and Mazda Motor Corporation, have committed to developing new engines optimized for electrification and carbon neutrality. These engines will integrate with electric motors, batteries, and other drive components, enhancing vehicle design through compact configurations. The companies aim to decarbonize internal combustion engines by making them compatible with various carbon-neutral fuels, ensuring the future of supply chains and jobs related to engine manufacturing. Utilizing racing to test these technologies, they have explored powertrain and fuel options, including liquid hydrogen and carbon-neutral fuels. The advanced engines will improve vehicle performance and aerodynamics while adhering to strict emissions regulations and supporting alternatives like synthetic fuels and biofuels. This development marks a significant step towards the adoption of carbon-neutral fuels. Koji Sato, CEO of Toyota, emphasized the necessity of evolving engines to align with future energy environments to offer customers diverse carbon neutrality options. Despite market competition, Subaru, Toyota, and Mazda are united in their commitment to a sustainable future for Japan's auto industry through collaborative efforts.